Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you are in a good condition. First of all, I would like to thank Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who has been giving us blessings and mercies so we can do our online learning process. Before starting our online class, better if I introduce myself because Proverb says not knowing, not loving. My name is Unisla. You can call me Miss Naili. Now, we are going to learn about adjective. Well everyone, I will explain to you about adjective. What is adjective? Have you known about adjective? If you haven't known yet, let's learn together. And please notice me. First, I will write the definition of adjective on the paper. Here is the definition of adjective. Adjective is a word used to qualify or modify the noun. Noun is a word used to name a human being or something that's considered as a thing. So, adjective can be used to describe the qualities of a person or thing independently or in comparison to something else. Now we are going to learn about the kinds of adjective. There are 8 kinds of adjective. What are they? The first is numeral adjective. The definition is the adjective used to show the number of things. There are 2 types of numeral adjective. The first is definite. It's divided to 4 kinds. Number 1, cardinal number. It's contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so forth. The position of cardinal number must be before the noun modified. For example, 1 book, 2 dictionaries. Number 2, ordinal number. It contains first, second, third, of ordinal number must be before the non-modified. For example, the first chapter, the second class. For the note, ordinal number can be used to indicate the date. For example, 2nd of March 2022. Number 3, multiplicative number. It contains single, twofold, threefold, and so forth. And the last is fraction number. The example of fraction number is like this: a half, twofold. The first number is using cardinal number, and the next is using ordinal number. And the second type of numeral adjective is indefinite numeral number. Is used to show the amounts of things which have a certain number. The words are all, enough, many, some, several, etc. For example, all girls, several books. And the second kinds of adjective is quantitative adjective. The definition is the adjective used to show the uncountable things. The words are all, enough, much, some, whole, etc. For example, much water, enough sugar. And the third is possessive adjective. The words are my, your, her, his, its, our, and their. The position of possessive adjective must be before the non-modified. For example, my book, your dictionary. The fourth, demonstrative adjective. Types of demonstrative adjective. There are two types. Definite. For example, the, this, that. And indefinite. For example, a or an. Some, other. Do you know the difference of a or an? I will tell you. If it is a, is used if the word begins with a consonant. Using an if the word begins with a vowel sound. The position of demonstrative adjective must be before the noun modified. The fifth, distributive adjective, is the adjective used to show one of the existing things. The words are every, each, either, and neither. The position of distributive adjective must be before the noun modified. And the sixth, proper adjective, is one derived from a proper noun. The position of proper adjective must be before the noun modified. For example, the English songs, the Indonesian language. The seventh, descriptive adjective, is the adjective used to describe the quality or condition of person or thing. The position of descriptive adjective can be before or after the noun modified. For example, I'm diligent. The diligent girl is naive. When there are two or more adjectives before noun modified, they aren't separated. For example, a diligent, beautiful girl. And the last kind of adjective is interrogative adjective. The words are what, which, whose. The position of this must be before the noun modified. For example, whose book, which building. Okay, I think it's enough because the time has been up. If you have questions, please comment or text me. I beg your pardon if there were a lot of mistakes on what I had explained to you. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.